we use certainly to make sure that we can handle our customers within a timely manner during high peaks. We choose them because of their technical platform and the integration towards Zendesk. The NLP, where we can understand the intent of the context of the question and not only route based on keywords, but also the powerful webhooks, where we can integrate towards different services, known services around there, but most important one to our own, where we can create a customized endpoint to give information directly to customers, faster and more consistent. And since we started to work more tightly with Certainly, we just want to say that they are really awesome. They're really helpful. They really want to solve your challenges, and they really go the extra mile for doing that.